Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making cornbread. Cornbread is one of my favorite side dishes, and yes, I consider it to be a side dish. It goes great with chili, crock pot meals, barbecue. No matter what time it is, there's always room on my table for cornbread. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need 1 cup of cornmeal, 3 cups of flour, 1 1/3 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2/3 a cup of vegetable oil, 6 tablespoons of melted butter, 4 eggs, and 2.5 cups of whole milk. To get started, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now we're going to take our dry ingredients, our flour, our sugar, our baking powder, our salt, and our cornmeal. We're going to whisk this together. Now in our dry ingredients, we want to make a nice little well, and we're going to start adding in our oil, our milk, and our eggs, and we're going to get this combined. And that's the consistency right there that we're looking for with our batter. Now in a large 9x13 pan, we're going to have it oiled down. We're going to transfer our batter into it, and we're going to go into the oven for 35 minutes or until it's golden brown. And after about 35 minutes, this is what we're looking for. We want the top to be golden brown. Now the 35 minutes is just a base to go off of. What we're looking for is the sides in the center to be set. You want to test it with a toothpick in the center. If it comes out clean, then it's done. So let's let this cool and then we'll dig in. And that is our cornbread. As you can see, it's nice and thick. Has a really nice texture to it. It's really light. Give mine a little bit of butter on top. Let's take a bite. It's light, it's fluffy, got a little bit of that grainy cornmeal texture to it that everybody loves with cornbread. It's not sweet at all, even though that we put all that sugar in there. If you enjoyed this recipe, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. You can check us out on Facebook at HomeHeadChef. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you next time.